remix. We get busy over here. No sleep, niggas stay up on they grizzy over here. We
sick, yes sir.
We
with it, yes sir.
And we gon' stay cool to the day that we die. 1, 2, 3.
You know who this is, man.
I go by the name
DJ Twitch.
Dope Man, fresh in the place to be. And I think they like me when they heard me on the other one. So it's only right that I hit you with a. Oh, I think they like me when they heard me on the other one. So it's only right that I hit you with another one.
Step up in the spot looking like $1 million. Club closing 30 minutes. Tell them we don't give a what. I'm like tick-tock, tick-tock. Take a look at my wrist. Equivalent to 10 bricks of the fish. Cause I'm about sauce. I make it clear. Clear the runway for the players of the year. Girl, no caviar. Dropping chicken in the grease. And I had to pick the car. Left it sticky and it's sweet.
You got to hear me out. Cause if I don't say a thing, I think it's gonna kill me now. So I'ma start this out by opening my mouth, saying I have a confession to make. I'm putting my relationship at stake in more ways than you can relate. Now I'ma say what I must say, because of guys like me, dreams only become wishful thinking. Nightmares turn into reality, and the darkness is her heart that's broken. What if I told you you should move on? Because I've been holding the truth from you for far too long, and there is no excuse. I knew that it was wrong. So before I go, I thought I'd let you know what's really going.
Remix, we get busy over here. No sleep, niggas stay up on they grizzy over here. We
Sick,
we
with it.
and we gon' stay cool to the day that we die.
I wanna know if I can say something. I hope that I can say one thing. I'm sure that she's hating me now. I don't want her away from me. How stupid it was of me to use you. Even crowded by millions, I'd still choose you. You're one out of a billion. And I am just a man that's no different from the rest of them. Because of guys like me, dreams only become wishful thinking.